This is a follow-up video to the original demonstration that we did about an hour ago. And on the left we have the untreated water. As you can see, the particles have broken down into very fine particles, sand, silt, and clay. If you can imagine, when this dries out, it's going to dry out and become hard pan again. If I shake it, it becomes cloudy immediately. This is the container with the treated water. As you can see, the particles are bigger. They're not going to completely break down, and when they flocculate into bigger particles. This product will work fine after you till the soil and leave the particles the size that you want. You treat it and it will not go back to its original state of being compacted. Also can be applied with a hose end sprayer, 2 to 4 ounces, while you're planting trees or right on established lawn. Is perfectly fine.